This is our 5.1 ADA unit that is available at the Bridges Lofts. The floor plan includes all appliances that you see here. This is our open floor concept. I'll take you to the deck area through the living room kitchen area. To show you the view, it has a very good sized deck. Eventually this will look out onto our pool courtyard, and as you can see, it has a great bridge and river view. The I-74 bridge is under construction right now, new bridge. And we're walking back in. The entryway and the large bathroom with great walk-in shower. With a large closet that takes up one wall and a very large bedroom. They all have ceiling fans and light fixtures. And they all have a panel for each unit having their own modem and router in the unit.